Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Quick Review and Unboxing. In this short video, I will talk about the 1:48 scale Dassault Mirage 2000C from Heller. The first kit of this model dates from the year 1991 and was reboxed a couple of times from brands like Airfix or Edouard. The kit includes 92 pieces. A finished model has a length of 299mm and a width of 190mm. It's molded from a hard light gray plastic. Panel lines could be deeper, so there is a need for an upgrade. Parts of the cockpit like the cockpit tab and the instrument panel have no details. There are no indicators, levers or push buttons. The only detailed cockpit part is the injection seat. It looks quite nice. You can equip the instrument panel with decals from the box, but the cockpit needs a better upgrade. That's why I purchased photo edge metal parts from Edouard. The model's wheel wells are poorly detailed. I didn't find any resin or metal replacements, so I have to study pictures and upgrade the wheel wells with a lot of scratch build. The landing gear and gear covers are quite nice, but there is also need for some more details, mainly hydraulics. Tires look good. I'll use them and create a tire tread. The chest exhaust nozzle looks simplified. Maybe I will use a resin one. The kit includes 4 air-to-air missiles, 2 middle-range Super 530Ds and 2 infrared Magic 2s. The Magic missiles have no panel lines. There is need for rescribing. You have an option to open and close the cockpit canopy. The kit includes also clear parts like the landing lights and heads-up display. The instruction manual is readable and easy to follow. It includes 9 work steps, but read it a couple of times not to miss anything. There are 2 camouflage schemes. A French Mirage from the 1991 Gulf War placed in Saudi Arabia, and an Indian Mirage placed in Maharajpura Air Base. It's been a long while since I built an LR model and its decals are no exception. They look very decent. I will give them a try. Okay, that's enough for this quick review. For its age and price, the kit looks decent. With some effort, I can build a nice model from it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.